Hi everyone, my name is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a New Year's golden makeup look. I love this look so much, and whenever I go for like a sun-kissed glow, mind you, this is more of a party like New Year's glam glow, but I like to really make the skin glowy. I don't really wear a lot of heavy black liner on my eyes, and I like the lashes because it really makes your eyes look bigger. And if you'd like to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching.
Okay, so we're going to start with the base of this Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I'm applying this with my Real Techniques makeup sponge. And next we are using the sponge once again to apply another primer. So this one really gives you a glowy look. It is called the Too Faced Do You Fresh Glow Primer in Natural Glow. And I'm using it alongside my foundation, the Too Faced Peach Perfect Soft Matte Foundation in Natural Beige. So if you are using a foundation that is a matte foundation and you really want some sparkle, all you need to do is add a primer with a little bit of that sparkle and you are good to go. For concealer today, I'm using one that I've been using quite regularly. This is my Tarte Shape Tape in Light Medium Sand. It seems to go really well with the foundations I've been using on my skin at this time of year. It's not too light, which kind of gives you a washed out appearance and also emphasizes dark circles, but it's also not too dark because I still want to highlight certain areas, especially under the eyes. And I'm using the pointy tip of my Real Techniques sponge just to add some of the product around my nose where I've got some redness and some veins. To set my look, I'm using a powder that I haven't used in forever. This is the Essence Loose Setting Powder in the shade Banana. I'm using the same sponge just to press the powder into my skin. So I'm not baking here, I'm just delicately adding the powder with my sponge instead of my brush, but you will see that I do go in with my F37 Spotlight Duster by Sigma just to kind of fine tune the powder and make sure it's blended seamlessly over my face. So because I want warm, glowy skin for this look, I'm using my Physician Formula Butter Bronzer in Deep Bronze with my Sigma F30 Large Powder Brush. Again, the less precise you are with it, the more natural it looks, and I just think this bronzer is so pretty. It has a natural glow, and it's perfect to give you that healthy looking bronze. I really wanted to emphasize the cheek color today, so I decided to use this Milani Baked Blush in 09 Red Vino. It does have a lot of gold veining throughout, which kind of goes with the look. And again, I'm using my Sigma F10 Powder Blush Brush and just applying to the apples of my cheeks. For brows, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo, so the Brow Whiz and the Dip Brow Gel in medium brown. And of course, the eyeshadow palette we're using in today's look is Sigma Cor De Rosa. I can't say enough good things about this palette. I just love it so, so much. So I'm starting this look with an E25 blending brush to add this warm mid-tone brown to the crease. This shade is called Medallion, and I wanted gold, but I didn't want a washed out looking gold because I noticed that if I do just gold on my lid, it does make me a little bit washed out. Hence the bronzer on the face, the pinker cheeks, the normal, and then the brown tone in the crease. So next I'm going in with my E27 detailed blending brush and adding MAC Fix Plus to the brush. And going into that gold shade, which is called Sun Sprite, probably my favorite shade in this palette. And I'm applying this all over my lid and as well as the lower lash line. Because this is a gold New Year's look and I wanted to look fabulous, I decided to use the Jeffree Star 24 Karat Skin Frost Pro Palette for highlighting today, and I went for it. I used that gold shade. I've never used this in a normal look before. In this look, it definitely had a nice part to play. So I did use my F03 High Cheekbone Highlighter by Sigma, and then I felt that it was a little too bright, so I took this foundation brush to kind of gently blend out the highlight, especially on my cheeks and my upper lip. I just kind of felt like it was a little too bright for my liking. For inner corner highlight, I decided to use the brightest shade in the Jeffree Star palette, along with a Sigma L04 detailed lip brush. This is a lip brush, but it is perfect for inner corner highlight as well as under the brow bone because it is so tiny and delicate and gets into those tiny areas. To add an extra bit of sparkle, I decided to use the Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner in gold just to add some sparkle to the inner portion of my eyes. I like adding sparkle to the lower lash line right underneath the inner corner highlight. However, if you are applying lashes and are using lash glue, do not put this on the upper lash line. So for lip gloss, I used the Jeffree Star The Gloss in Pretzel Drip, and voila, lashes and mascara are complete. Mascara was the Tarte Maneater. Lashes were the Pro Beauty Essentials 3D Faux Mink in Wispy.
So that is the completed look, and I really like, okay, first of all, these lashes are all funky because I need to clean them off so they don't look completely natural. But what I wanted, and this was kind of the goal for this look, I wanted glowy skin and I wanted it to be bronzed and I wanted gold on the eye, but not so bright gold that it washes me out. So that's why I used my Cor De Rosa palette and I made it a little bit more shadowed with a warm tone brown in the crease first, and I love that color. It just looks really, really pretty. And then I did use a sparkle liner on the bottom inside, so it does give you that glam sparkle. And then of course I used Jeffree Star's gold highlighter everywhere on my face and on my cupid's bow, and that extra gold just adds a little bit of touch and a little bit of glam. And this is the ideal look for New Year's. I know, again, we're not having any parties, we're not celebrating, but I think it's just really, really pretty. And even if you wanted to have fun with makeup, or this can be for next year, whatever you're going to put on makeup for, whether it's just to practice and get better at makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed this one a lot, actually. I also like that I didn't put on black eyeliner on the upper lash line because it just makes my eyes appear a bit more open and larger. And yes, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd love to have you, and also click the bell button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.